Hi guys, welcome back to Soliotech. Today we are going to see how to draw the diagram of our traffic light lesson we saw in the previous video. To carry out this task, we are going to use a software called Fritzing, which is adequate to draw a circuit. A PCB, you can draw a PCB out of it. Without further ado, let's start. First of all, we are going to use one breadboard which is on the screen here. Also, we will need three resistors of 22 ohms. We will get the resistor from here. Just you click on it, carry and drop it here, and right click. You go to rotation and rotate it at 90 degrees so that we can have it well aligned, and you pull it this way. Right click on it and we duplicate it, as we need three resistors. We have the second resistor. Right click again, you duplicate. You have the third resistor. It's here. For this, we will also need three LED. We will get the LED from here on the right side. You click on it and drop it here. So for this, make sure that you should put the LED in the right position. This side of LED is the negative side and this is the positive side of the LED, anode and cathode. So let's flip the LED 90 degrees, go to rotation and 90 degrees. This way we can have our LED well aligned this way. So just drag the positive part of the LED to the next hole, and this is the red LED. You will need also the green LED, but let's first of all duplicate it. So we have our second LED. So to change the color, we need to come to the right side of our screen here, and we will set the yellow. We choose one of them, yellow LED. We duplicate again to have our last LED, which the green LED. To change the color, we will do the same process. Come here and select green LED. Now we have all our three LED aligned on the breadboard and connect with our three resistors. We will need to have an Arduino board, which will come here. In our case, we are using Arduino Uno. You drag it and drop it here. This is the Arduino board we are going to use. We will need also three jumper wires. To get the jumper wire, you just need to click here and drag it. So the first jumper wire will go to the pin 4. So we need to change the color of this jumper wire. So to change the color of this jumper wire, we just right click and we select color red, and it will be changed to color red. Again, we need the second jumper wire which connect the yellow LED to our Arduino pin 3. We click and drag here on pin 3. We change the color, let's make it yellow for us to differentiate it. And lastly, we have our green LED. We'll go to the pin 2. Let's change the color of the wire to color green. For here we are set. The wire yellow, red, green serve to send the data. So lastly, we will now use one jumper wire for ground to connect to our ground. Click and drag it here. Click and drag it. So we connect it to our end of the resistors. So we change the color to color black. Let's align it properly. Okay. Now we are all set with our design. Here is how you can design the diagram of any PCB that you want to carry out, any project, electronic project you want to execute. Here is how you can design it. Thank you for watching. Bye.